in numbers.
Om Sri Ganganpati Namah. I pray Almighty God Ganesha, the Day Lord, Ancestral Lords, and Gurus. Welcome you to the World Astro and its special presentation on Numerology. Since numbers play important role in our life, and these numbers are 1 to 9. When the numbers are imbalanced, it creates problems in life. There are Vastu Dosa is stated, and that's why I thought that I should take the numerology to each person, each house, each individual, so that no one, at least one family has one numerologist, and no one suffers with the problems which requires more and more numerological treatment. So these numbers are very, very useful. Some of the numbers are friends, some of the numbers are enemies, some of the numbers give us positive energy, some not. So all these induced me to start a new presentation for learning numerology, and I have been presenting the day's auspiciousness, what the number speaks for the people who are born on different dates pertains to the current today's date, and what are their auspiciousness, what the stars tells about, what the number speaks. So then the part introduced here is just the English version of the Dainik Panchang last presentation for the benefit of those people who are our what you call subscriber from the other states, including country, which are not conversant with Hindi. So all these two parts, let us take there, and I will take you to there. Here I will say that the contents of the presentations have been taken from various books and journals which I have gone through. Images have been taken from images, sounds, and birth data for exercise purpose have been taken from Google, and images have been taken from here. Here this presentation is reaching to you through YouTube. So now proceed there. Welcome you to the Varun Astro. I welcome you to the first part of the presentation. Numbers in numerology, which are used, ranges between 1 to 9 only. The zeros are not taken into consideration because 0 signifies uncertainty. 5 number because of the position. It acquires the vital position, which balances the numbers preceding to it and succeeding. Numbers are ruled by some planets, and these planets are 1 is ruled by Sun, 2 by Moon, 3 by Jupiter, 4 by Rahu, 5 by Mercury, 6 by Venus, 7 by Ketu, 8 by Saturn, 9 by Mars. So this list will be preserved with you, and there may be chances that in the birth chart some of the numbers are missing. In that case, God may be thinking someone for me, some for us, and these numbers are, some of the numbers are not provided. Resultant effect is energy of that planet is missing in our body, and if some number is repeated more than twice, that energy is in excess form in our body. So birthday, these numbers are uniquely called in the kingdom of the numbers. One is known as king or government, 2 is known as the queen, partner, diplomat, 3 is known as king advisor, 4 is by rule breaker, highly diplomatic person, 5 by prince or kumar, 6 by minister or comfort giving officials, individuals, 6 by minister, 7 by spiritual guru, and the person who gets the advanced intimation from the universe, 8 about some uh, incident going to happen, 8 is downtrodden people of the society, and servant, worker, and the people working under us, judiciary. 9 by army, police, doctor, or blood. In the we get few numbers by virtue of gift when we take birth by the God. These remain static, and these numbers are in the form of date, month, and year, that is date of birth. So these numbers, this is the rule of the numerology that whenever any number consists of more than 2 digits or 2 or more than digits, then all the numbers are added together, converted into single digit, and then it is used for analysis purpose. So here the date of birth is 13, date is in double digit, date is added together, converted into single digit, and then it is called driver. Similarly, all the numbers of the date, month, and year are added together. Thereafter, these are converted into single digit. This is known as conductor. So driver and conductor are very, very important position in numerology and even practical life in process too. So there must be cordial relation between driver and conductor. Next is an angel number, which is drawn from birth chart year course. All numbers are added together, converted into single digit, and then this is known as birth. This is known as angel number. One more number is added, converted, deduced from it. That is date and month are added together and converted into single digit. This gives attitude number, achievement number. Now we will learn each numbers. Driver number is a reflection of our inner driver, inner personality, inner characteristics, what fires us up, and now we get moving. Conductor number shows the role or purpose of the life that we are meant to fulfill. This is our motivational brand narrative. Angel number balances us with optimal energies for achievement. And now we have converted the number. Driver for the native whose birthday details is this, and his birthday falls today. His date of birth is 13. And his driver becomes 4, conductor becomes 9. So there is a rule in numerology that whenever date of birth contains either date, month, 11, 22, or 33 in the name. So 11, 22, 33, 44, etc., whatever double numbers are, these are the master numbers. So 11 and 22 can appear in the date, and 11 in the month. So whenever these numbers are associated, this is called as master number, which belongs to highly evolved souls. Person has learned the easy lessons in the past life and now have some more challenging lessons to learn. There is always a degree of nervous tension with the master number, which make it difficult to teach people to achieve their aim and target. Another number is 13, 14, 16, and 19. These are the karmic depth number. These represent lessons or challenges from the past lives that must be addressed in the current lifetime to achieve spiritual growth and balances. If one is born on 13th, 14th, 16th, or the 19th of any month, or if these numbers appear in the numerology chart anywhere during calculations, it is believed to be carrying karmic debt from the previous incarnation. Let us understand each number one by one. 30 is often associated with laziness or misuse of power in a past life, requiring a lesson in hard work and responsibility. 14 is connected to the indulgence and lack of self control, leading to a need for discipline, moderation, and responsibility. 16 signifies the consequences of pride, arrogance, or a destructive nature, requiring humility and a focus on others. 19 relates to selfishness or a desire to absolute power, requiring the development of empathy and cooperation. What are the effects of these numbers? So these are the karmic debt number. Now, how to address the karmic debt number? First, whatever was the demerit of the previous incarnation that is carried over in this current year also, we must confront them and do the good practices. Good karmas, embrace spiritual practices, seek guidance of the guru, motivators, and numerologists. So these numbers are very, very crucial, important. Now today's birth chart, 13 is appearing. This relates to this means that the native is carrying karmic debt number. His date, month, and year also takes 9, which is also enemy to the driver and conductor in both ways. So both are enemies to each other. Now, what should be the effect? Now, let us learn other numbers. Angel number is 7 because this name pertains to male, so 7 has been taken. And the achievement number, which reflects the interpersonality. So driver shows interpersonality. And 4 and 9 are inimical to each other. So if name then the problem is that we have learned that the problem is to balance these 4 and 9 driver conductor. We must find out some alternative. So angel number for the native is 7. Outward personality, which the person is looked at by others, is known as achievement number. What the impressions we make on the world. This reflects outward personality. This is 5, which is balanced. The native is playful, adventurous, and anti-fun loving. Sorry, and fun loving. Now we will. These all are static numbers, not dynamic numbers. Static numbers are those which are gifted by the God, and numbers deduced from it which can't be changed. Dynamic numbers are those which we create, and we change it also whenever needed. But some of the dynamic numbers are static, some are dynamic. Dynamic comes static, we can say, and name number is one of them. So the remedy of balancing the driver and conductor is the first and foremost remedial measure is correction of the name and name number, so that the name number be the balance and the native is enjoys proper life. Otherwise, it will be full of hurt. Now you are surprised how a name can be numbered. Yes, the alphabets which are used here in the name carries alphabetical values, numerical values, not alphabetical, numerical values. So the alphabets which are used in the name is replaced with their respective numerical values, and then it is analyzed whether this name number is enemy or friend to the driver conductor. Here I see that the name number is 2, or Hanuman Bihari, whose birthday falls today. Congratulations, Hanuman, on your birthday today. So this native is name number is 2 and driver and conductor is 9. So whenever this number will be used here, this may create other imbalances because 4, 9 are both are enemies to 2. Now, what are the remedial methods? So first, let us analyze Losu grid. We will understand what are the enemy numbers. So Losu grid consists of 9 boxes, consisting of unique numbers in each box, and these 9 boxes are threes. Each box is filled with numbers only one first time, not repeated. Thereafter, we will put all the numbers from the birth date here and we will analyze it. So first 13 is here. So this 1 and 3. It will be taken. 1 is again taken from 10. 1 is taken again from 1993. So 993 is left out. 99 is here. And thereafter, 4 will be again appearing as driver. One more 9 is appearing here. So 9 and 3 are more than twice. 3 is 3 I have already taken. 3 again, 3 is from the year. So driver is 4, conductor is 9. Angel number is 7. Angel number is 9. 7. So 7 has been undertaken. Now name number goes to 2. So now, if we calculate now, the following numbers which are enemical, which appear not good. So this is cause of 856 missing. 856 numbers are missing. This is because these numbers are not available in the birth chart. Similarly, some of the numbers 9 and 1 are repeated more than twice. So what are the impacts of these missing numbers? So the numbers, just we will see the chart here and we see that our answer is correct. 856 are missing for the native. Here one mistake has been done because 4, here the number 4 will appear here instead of 1. Now, southeast direction, northeast, central, and northwest direction we have Vastu Dosa. And these number I include a center also. And what are the effects of knowledge related issues may have problem, work and energy related problem, and friends relatives related problem may be there. Broadly speaking, there is lack of knowledge, motivation, intuition, organized stability, study, hard work may be there. So these are the lack because of 8 number is lacking. Balance, stability, fortune, mental health problem. This is because 5 is missing and 6 is missing. Friends, traveling, new beginning. Differences at some point with father, spirituality. And the remedial measures are earth metal for missing number 8 and 5 and hard metal for missing number 6. Intellectual number is 100% for the native, all the boxes are filled in. Emotional plane is 66%, practical plane is 33%. And practical plane is 33% for the native. By thought plane is 66%, willpower plane 66%, and action plane is also 66%. Golden Raj Yoga is not formed because 5 is missing, 6 is missing. And Raj Yoga is not formed because 5 is missing for the native. But it has not come from inside. Now, these are the enemy numbers which you wanted. So if you see 4, the enemies are 8, 9, 4, 2 for the 4, and for the 9, 6, 4, 2, 8, 9, again 2. Then similarly, one more list is presented here, that the name of the various numerical representations, I mean, they either conductor or driver, must not have enemy with the prime personal number, I mean first number of the name. So if the native is looked into, H happens to carry 5 number, so this is positive for the native. Missing numbers are 856, which we already discussed, and the current is native is passing through is 6, which is enemy to the 9 number, but not for the 4. And native's personal life is calculation, which is calculated by virtue of replacing the year component from the permanent place of the permanent birth chart, and it is replaced with the current year. So this year gives 5 score, which is good for the native, but 6 score is not so good because 6 is best for the 4 and 9 number people, 6 number is not good. So conductor is not favorable with they are not compatible with the 6. And what are the effects of this personal year 5? Year of success and financial stability, increase in friend circle, good for business and businessmen, traveling and going to abroad. On business for the employment, partnership business for the employed in media and communication and doing related business. For writers, poets, actors, entertainers, radio artists, and journalists. For appearing in competition and taking risks, year to be conscious while talking, and overall memorable year. Native is currently passing. Native is born at Kakinada, which gives again 8 number, which is not favorable for 498. And native is running through Mars Mahadasha, again 9. And presently it is running through Mars and Moon Mahadasha. Thereafter, this presentation comes to the second stage. Day's auspiciousness, what the number speaks for the about the day for the people born on different dates of any month. So all the numbers, whether it is driver number 1, prime number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all are having good relations with the 5 numbers, and 9 number is neutral with the 10. So in this way we can analyze the birth chart. But today's number speaks, 5 number speaks about the people born on different dates of any month, that everybody will enjoy the day today. Thank you, and thank you universe for giving a promotion or recognition. With this, the presentation comes to an end. Thank you for watching it. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel, press the notification icon. Numerology is very easy to learn, easy to use, easy to apply, and as such, request all the subscribers to share this with their friends, colleagues, and your relatives, as well wishers. So, wishing you all the best and have a good day. Take care of health. Good day ahead. With this, the presentation comes to an end. With this, the presentation comes to an end. Thank you for watching it. And now I seek permission to leave it. Tomorrow I will be coming with new presentations. Until then, take care. Have a good day. Namaste.